this was a program which really pushed me out of my comfort zone. Welcome to Zero to Maker Bootcamp. This is a 7-day bootcamp where children learn how to do programming, how to create new ideas, how to pitch well, all the skills you need to become an entrepreneur.
They're going to work through about 5 to 10 mini projects and close to about 4 to 5 larger projects in this 7 days. And they were going to work in teams with each other.
When I joined this program, they gave us a time limit and we had to finish an amplifier within 30 minutes. I couldn't finish things within less time, but now I had to work with a team, which makes it faster and my brain functions well.
We started with ice breaks. We did pass the ball, which is just like passing balls to each other. We would do birthday ordering, but they had to do that silently. We also did human knots and they had to untie themselves. So it's like a team building activity.
One branch can be broken easily, but multiple branches can be very hard to break.
This is an experience that schools do not give. How do you cooperate and engage and create together?
We give students like all the trainings about how to make this and how to make that, and that itself is a learning by doing. And then they pretty much just have like 4 hours to make a fully functional product, a video, and a stand-up pitching where everybody has to speak only English, and a lot of kids do not speak English.
I want to learn English vocabulary.
Second 2 days, we got into the innovator part. A lot of startup programs are focused on, we need to solve problems. But then problems are everywhere, and then like startups are all about whether they have found the worthy problem. Then we went to the central market, and then like they have to interview at least 3 shopkeepers. So we wanted to train the students into the problem finders rather than just the product makers. The next morning, they have to do like a full slide stand-up presentation all in English about the problem they found. After all of those reviews, they actually have to learn how to build a business model, how to learn a cash flow, and then how to not go bankrupt.
The favorite project would be the lemonade game.
Raj made an original game called the Lemonade Cash Flow Game.
Yeah, the lemonade game taught us students about cash flow and then how you should organize and price if you have the product, and think about the cost as well as the price and then the demand in the world.
It was like pretty fun.
So right now we're about to begin the soccer game, so we'll see what unfolds.
Hi! We started the entrepreneur phase of this program. We actually went upstairs where actual aspiring entrepreneurs were giving their final business pitches to a separate program at ASB.
I kind of like the way this asking difficult questions. Asking the type of question to the founders that doing the sharing is great. I feel like some of the questions that they ask, to be honest, is at the level of adult.
Wow.
The Zero to Entrepreneur program in ASB, we have 10-year-old children. We have high school students. So age is not a factor. You can start your entrepreneurial journey at any point. And Zero to Entrepreneur is a very good place to start your entrepreneurship journey.
We are at day 7 at Zero to Entrepreneur, and the students are finally about to pitch their business plan. Let's see what's going on in there. Hey, how are you feeling about the presentation?
Nice.
Nice? Okay, are you confident?
Yes.
Oh my god, are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh my god, a lot of positive emotions going on. Okay, how are you feeling about the presentation? 긴장되려. You're a bit nervous? Okay.
I'm nervous. I just hope that I'm satisfied with my presentation.
Okay, that's a good goal. That's a good goal. Okay, now good luck, you guys. Thank you so much.
Schools primarily create individual champions who want to get the top marks, for top rank. Schools do not train them to work with each other. The moment they graduate and go for a job, that is the first time they realize that you cannot create anything by yourself. You have to work with a team. And biggest problem that they face is at that time, all the team challenges, ego issues, they have never been trained to fix in schools. So this experience is one of those life-changing experience. They realize what their own negative points are, what they need to fix, what their strengths are in communication, trust building, all these kind of things.
早くから楽じゃないけど力がつく環境で成長するということが大事だと思ってるからこのプログラムはぴったりだと思ってます。
Making video is difficult, but I use CapCut. Now I can make video better.
多分この取り組みを通して何か始めるっていうハードルがめちゃくちゃ下がったと思うんですよ。
I had the ability to be stubborn enough to just not give up on our project. I was kind of disappointed when it didn't work yesterday, so I stayed up a little later. It still doesn't work, but I still want to at least complete it. And I think just because it doesn't work the first time doesn't mean that it'll never work.
These things, if you can actually build at this age, that is something the parents cannot teach. It has to be done through projects with children around them at their age.
The first prize goes to Team Drive Time.
The kids, everything that they've been working on, and then seeing them, do really well, and then I'm getting first place. I just was so proud.
So this experience primarily is something I wish I had when I was a child. So I created all these things primarily to offer what I did not get. And this is an experience that we give that we hope will carry forever.